In this lesson, we are going to create order history page to show the previous orders of user. First step is in the backend, create API to return orders of current user. Go to order router. At the very beginning, define order router.get. The first parameter is the URL of API. You should concatenate with /API/orders/mine. Only authenticated user can have access to this API. And inside the handler, we get all orders inside the database using find function. And the filter is return only orders that the user is current user. So what it does is to return current user orders. Then use rest.json to return orders. Next step is in order hooks. Go to order hooks. And at the very end, we are ready to define a new hook. The name of hook is use get order history query. Here is the code of new hook. The name of this hook is use get order history query. This hook send an AJAX request to backend to get the orders of current user. This hook return use query from React query. The key of this query is order history, and the function is an async function that send an AJAX request to this address /API/orders/mine, convert data to array of orders, and return them. We can use order array instead of that. Both of them works. Next step is creating order history page. Go to pages folder in frontend rc pages, right click new file, order history page.tsx. We're gonna show current order history in this page. Let's start by creating the functional component order history page. Inside that, get access to navigate from use navigate, import it from React Rotterdam, and get access to use get order history query hook that we defined inside order hook.ts, and get data, rename it to order, and get is loading an error to show loading a status and error message. Save the code and go for the return part. What I'm gonna return is a div. Inside div, define helmet to set the page title, import it from React Helmet async, and define h1 set heading of this page to order history. Then use conditional rendering like this. If is loading is true, show loading box. Import it from components folder. If there is an error, show error. Otherwise, create a table. Inside this table, set class name to table and define table head. Inside table head, create a table row, and for cells of header, define ID of order, date of creation of order, total price, paid status, delivered status, and actions. Let's go for table body. Here is table body. Inside table body, use map function on order, use exclamation mark to make sure that we have orders at this point, and convert each order to a table row. Set key to a unique value, create the first column, order ID, second column, created at, use substring to only show the date of order, not the time, because the column is small and we are going to just show the date of creation of order. Show total price. For is paid, use conditional rendering. If is paid is true, show the date of payment, otherwise show no, it's not paid. Do the same for deliver status, and the last column is for showing a button. Use Command-I on window on Mac to import the button type as button, variant as light, and when user click on it, redirect user to the order details page. The caption is details. Let's use this page inside main.tsx, inside the route section in the protected route, add order history path, and the element is order history page. Import it. The last step is in the app.tsx. Go to app.tsx, find the user info. We created a drop-down menu to show sign out. Before sign out, I'm going to show a nav drop-down item. I use link container as a wrapper for this item. When user click on order history, we redirect user to the order history page. Let's check the result. Here we have an issue. It's off screen, the drop-down menu. Let's fix it. To fix this issue, go to index.css and add this class dot drop-down menu for data-bs-proper specification. I mean for element with this class and this attribute, set left to auto and right to 1 pixel. We can make it to 0, 2. It works. Let's test it. Click on your name. Here it is correct. If I click on order history, I'm getting error for substring. Let's fix an issue in the order model. Inside the export class order, it's an annotation before it, so we need to use @ before order model. By having this change, we need to delete all previous orders to prevent errors about created at field. So what I'm gonna do is to go to this address 400/API/C to delete all data and create new data. Click back and sign out. Then log in with admin and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Create a new order. Proceed to checkout, enter address, continue, PayPal, payment, test pay, and click on order history. Awesome. Here we are getting the date of order from created at. Good. We successfully implemented order history feature of this e-commerce website, and the workflow of this shopping cart is done from listing products, product details, add to cart, proceed to checkout, shipping address, payment method, place an order, making payment, and listing orders.